Namaste students, I am Reverend Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Phycology of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic scope of the microbiology. The subject belongs to the fundamental of the microbiology with integrated with integrity fourth semester. So what are the scope? So first thing which I'm going to discuss is fields of microbiology. What are different fields? The first field is pure microbiology. Pure microbiology. On the basis of the taxonomical classification and pure microbiology, some fields are there. The first one is bacteriology. In the field of the bacteriology, the study, it is a branch in which study of bacteria is conducted. Bacteriology is the branch of the microbiology which deals with the bacteria, which deals with the study of the bacteria. Second is mycology. Mycology is the branch of microbiology which deals with the study of the yeast and molds. Yeast and molds. Third one is the phycology. Phycology is the branch of life science, microbiology, biology, which deals with the study of the algae. Phycology, study of algae. And virology is the simple. It can be answered easily. The virology is the branch of the microbiology which deals with the study of the viruses. Viruses, their classification, structure, morphological. In the bacteria, we discuss about the bacterial structure, morphological types, classifications, genetics. Okay. Similarly, everything. And protozoology is a next branch in which we study the protozoa. It is a branch which deals with the study of the protozoa. Next branch is the immunology. Immunology is the study of the immune system and the immune responses. What is the immune system? Immune system is a system which is present in our human body which fights against pathogens, which protect human against some pathogenic microorganism. This is the immune system. Next, we discuss about the bacteriology. What is the bacteriology? Bacteriology is the branch of the microbiology which is concerned with the study of bacteria. It is the branch is further divided into a number of specializations that include the marine bacteriology, sanitary bacteriology, industrial bacteriology, agriculture bacteriology, systematic bacteriology, and another classes can be there. And here, the branch of the microbiology gives focus on the aspects as types of the bacteria and their classification, their disease, their application. Okay, so these all are belonging to the bacteria. Next is the mycology. What is the mycology? Unlike bacteriology, which is the study of the bacteria, which are prokaryotic in nature, mycology is the branch of the microbiology which deals with the study of the fungi, and the fungi are the eukaryotic in nature. And the fungi are found in the many types of the environments of different types of, such as the molds and the yeast, can be highly available in all the environment, and they may be harmful or the beneficial. Mycology gives focus on the different properties of these organisms, their characteristics, their taxonomy, which had done or made it possible to use them in various industries and in breweries. Okay, so these are the different fields on which the mycology can be applied, and those who specialize in mycology are known as the mycologist. Phycology is the next branch, uh, bacteriology, mycology. Phycology is also a branch of microbiology that deals with the study of the multicellular organism. Unlike mycology, however, the phycology deals with the study of different types of algae. It deals with the different types of algae that can be found in different types of environment. There may be exist a small organism which found in the floating in the ocean and some algae which grow on the large seaweeds. These are found in the aquatic environment also. And apart from the being part of the food chain, algae are also involved in the production of oxygen. They are a good source of oxygen, which makes them important in the microbiome. They generate oxygen. Those who study phycology are known as the phycologists. The next one is the virology. What is the meaning of the virology? So virology is the branch of microbiology which deals with the study of the viruses. It deals with the study of the viruses. And unlike most of the other organisms which are either described as being unicellular or multicellular, viruses are not unicellular or not multicellular. They are acellular, means they do not have cell. They do not need host cells to multiply. They multiply in another, like another organism, another cellular organism. The viruses need host cells. They do not need its own cell. They need a cell another than themselves. They have not any cell, so they will multiply in different another cell, and they end up affecting the cells and consequently cause disease in those cells. In virology, the research also focus on aspects in the biochemistry, distribution, molecular biology, as well as the evolution of the viruses, which makes it possible to not only understand them but also to develop cures to some of the most serious disease which are caused by these parasites. Next, the protozoology. Protozoology is one of the newest branch of the microbiology, which based on the taxonomy. It is the subdivision that deals with the study of the protozoa, like fungi. These are eukaryotic organisms that include such groups such as the amoeboids, ciliates, sporozoans, and flagellates. So they are included in the protozoa. Good number of these organisms have been associated with animals and human disease. Protozoa, people, the people who study about the protozoa are known as the protozoologists. And protozoologists not only focus on their taxonomy and morphological aspects for classification purposes, but also they also focus on their medical significance. Some common examples of disease which are caused by the protozoa include the malaria, sleeping sickness, okay, and amoeba dysentery. Next field is the immunology. Immunology is the subdiscipline that will deal with the study of the immune system, and it has been one of the most important areas of the study of the microbiology and the immunology. And it is the worth of nothing that while diseases are caused by the various microorganisms, foreign substances, and they can be results from the immune system, and it's a case autoimmunity also. Uh, by studying the relationship between the body pathogen and immune system, researchers have made significant stats on the breakthrough that have made possible to eradicate disease are caused by the microorganisms. What are the fields of the microbiology? On the basis of the integrative characteristics, some classes which can be found in the field of the microbiology include uh, microbial cytology, microbial physiology, microbial genetics, microbial ecology, cellular microbiology, molecular biology. In microbial cytopathology, cell of the microorganism is discussed. In microbial physiology, the physical organization of the microorganism is discussed. In genetics, the genetic organization of microorganisms is studied. And taxonomy, the classification is studied. And in molecular microbiology, uh, it is a study of the microorganism gene and their genetic organization, their DNA, RNA, their replication, transcription. So they are discussed. On the basis of integrated criticism, we discuss about these branches such as the cytology. It deals with the structure and function of the microorganism. Microbial physiology is the branch of microbiology that deals with the different parts of the normal function of the organism. And microbial genetics is concerned with the genetic makeup of organism. And microbial ecology is the branch that deals with the surrounding habitat of the organism that make it possible to understand the organism interact with the surrounding. And evolutionary microbiology is the study of the evolution of the microorganism. It is divided into two uh, subgroup: microbial taxonomy and microbial systematics. In microbial taxonomy, the naming and classification of microorganisms is discussed, and in the microbial systematics, it is the study of the diversity in genetic relationship of the microorganism. Cellular microbiology is a discipline which deals with the cell biology of the microorganism. In the molecular biology, the study of the molecular principle of the physiological process of the microorganism. Nematology is the study of the nematodes. Applied microbiology, if we talk about on the basis of the application, such as the medical microbiology, veterinary microbiology, public health microbiology, industrial microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, agriculture microbiology, plant microbiology, different whatever we are going to apply to microbiology, water microbiology, okay, soil microbiology, food and dairy microbiology, environmental microbiology, okay, water aquatic microbiology, aeromicrobiology, microbial biotechnology, vaccinology, chemotherapy. So they are applied, they are applied microbiology. And next is agriculture, uh, food, microbiology, medical microbiology is the study of the uh, pathogenic microorganism. So these all are the branch of the microbiology. Medical microbiology is the study of the pathogenic microbes and the role of microbes in the human illness. And it includes the study of the microorganism pathogenicity and epidemiology. Okay. Veterinary microbiology is the study of the role of the microbes in the veterinary medical medicines and taxonomy. Industrial microbiology, the exploration of the microbes in the industrial process. Okay, for example, fermentation technology. So, pharmaceutical microbiology, the study of the microorganisms that are related to the production of antibiotics, vitamins, enzymes, vaccines. So, they are included in the pharmaceutical microbiology. And these fields, some other fields, which are also agriculture microbiology, the study of the agriculture relevant microorganism, plant, which include the plant microbiology, plant pathology, soil microbiology. So they all are related to the agriculture microbiology. Food microbiology is the study of the microorganism which cause food spoilage and the foodborne illness. And environment microbiology is the study of the action of the function of the diversity of microbes in the natural environment. And some other fields may also be found. Water microbiology is the study of those microorganisms which are found in the water. Air microbiology is the study of the airborne microorganisms. So these all are the fields of the microbiology, and what are the scope. Some of the scope include the scope in the dairy and food, agriculture, farming, uh, environmental, industry, immunology, medicine, investigation, genetic. So these all are the scopes and fields of the microbiology in different areas. So I hope you have understood all these things. In this lecture, I discuss about the various fields of the microbiology. Uh, First, normal fields, pure microbiology, which include bacteriology, mycology, phycology, virology, protozoology, immunology, and some another fields which include different fields on the basis of their integrative characteristics and also on the basis of the applied microbiology. So different fields of the microbiology were discussed in this lecture. I hope you have understood all these questions, all these notes. You will be availed all these notes also. So the questions which can arise include explain the field of microbiology, explain the aims and scope of the microbiology, what is pure microbiology, what are the fields of the microbiology on the basis of the integrated characteristics, what are the fields of the microbiology on the basis of the applied microbiology, and what are the scope of the microbiology. So I hope you will be able to answer all these questions. So if you still have any problem, you can ask me. So my lecture is over here. Thank you very much.